There's gotta be a better way. Hey guys, we're out at Quartzsite. We just finished up our show. I'm gonna show you something that I built a little while ago that didn't quite work right the first time, but we got it nailed down right here. Have you ever seen those commercials where someone's trying to open up a milk carton and they're just like, and it splashes all over, right? I feel like that every time I bring out one of those RV rugs. You know, the kinds that you can never get folded right. They're so super dirty when you pick them up and throw it in your cargo bay and then you end up all dirty and everything. I mean, they're just the worst. So I said, there's gotta be a better way. I'm gonna show you how you can bring your own grass to wherever you go and make it super easy to pack away, super easy to get out. It's one of the coolest things I've ever made for our camper. Let's get into it right here. So I'm gonna show you how you can set it up for yourself. What I got here is a 6-inch sewer pipe and it is about 8 feet long. So it spans the whole width of the trail. I didn't cut it at all, I just basically hose clamped it to a piece of metal that I had underneath our camper. That's what we're going to use to store the rug. This part right here is how we're going to roll it up. Now notice at the end I used some Gorilla Glue and glued on a nice big 1/2-inch bolt, but that'll allow us to roll it up nice and tight so that when we're ready we just slide it on in and take our cap and place it right there and screw it on. Now, I think the hardest part of this whole thing is getting your rug attached to the pipe, so I'll show you how to do that. Now, the most important part of this is making sure the bar is perpendicular to the grass so that it rolls up good. So I found these Legos. I'm putting it on the stitch right here and then lining it up so that it's gonna be hopefully pretty close to perpendicular.
We're gonna do 3 of these little poppers in rapid succession. Ready?
Ready. Picked up this hot glue gun in town at the hardware store. We had to go there to get some air compressor tools because we're gonna fix the onboard air compressor in the Valor. This thing runs 30 watts. That's okay, because we got 2.12 watts of solar up on the roof. We'll be able to run this no problem. My first test will be, I'm going to wrap it up. That rolls nice. Oh my. That's perfect. Okay, there's got to be a better way. All right, here we go. Wow your RV neighbors with the automatic roll-up RV rug. Here it is. Let me show you. Just like that. No more dingy RV rugs. Get the roll-out rug. Let me show you one more time. Raining, no problem. Just go a little bit faster. And there you have it. You can have your RV rug inside your camper in 2 seconds. Fellas, can you hear it? Honey, can you get out the RV rug? Doesn't matter. It's all set and ready to go. Got it, honey? There you go. The roll-up rug. All right, so the secret is you just gotta hot glue it. Hot glue it to the pole. And then when you wind it up, you're good to go. While I demonstrate the roll-up RV rug one more time, let me tell you why I like this green grass. First one is because it's pretty cheap, and you can get it just about anywhere. We got a 100-foot roll at a flea market outside Quartzsite. It's lightweight, doesn't seem to absorb anything, so if it rains, it pretty much gets dry right away. Blocks from a lot of dust and everything very, very nicely, right? So we have this one, we've been using this long piece, but it stays pretty clean. You can lay on it and all that stuff. It's just pretty nice. Because it's lightweight, I just put a couple rocks on it and it stays there, even in like the Quartzsite wind. And to be honest too, I just like how it looks. It looks like green grass from a distance, so it's kind of fun. And the whole thing really only works because this stuff is so thin. I couldn't imagine getting like 10 foot of that RV rug rolled up in that little 6-inch tube. It just couldn't happen. So if you're looking to do this, make sure to plan on getting the thin stuff. Did you hear what he said? He said, now we have the rod on it all the time. All right, that's okay, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull it out, right? You're gonna stretch it out, right? And just gonna set the rod down. The rod is actually now a part of your rug. It would be cool, actually, if we had another rod on this end. So you didn't have to nail it down. Better not trip on the rod. Okay, so there you have it. We now have a rug that we can take out and put back in no time. So for the 6-inch tube down there, you get about 11 feet of rug. If you went with like an 8-inch tube, you might be able to get like 16 feet, possibly. At the Menards, they didn't have an 8-inch tube. That's no problem. All right, let's see if Nate can do it. Oh, that looks good.
Oh, this is a wrist tester.
I mean, this is for adults, but I think you're okay.
Dude, it's still bunched up.
It's still bunched up. I'll just run it in there. You got it. Yeah, you're fine. Yeah,
Oh,
just run it in. What? It hurts? Oh, Nate, here. See? Are you tired?
I'm done.
Oh, I'm so tired. Running the camera. I tell you, you get your math done? Oh, boy. There you have it. If you enjoyed this little hack, be sure to click the thumbs up button. It helps our channel to get kind of more widely known, so we can put things like this out on the internet, so a lot of people can enjoy some kind of cool things. I like thinking outside the box when it comes to RVing. Love to be out on the road, but I need to work. That's why we have the Insti Connect. Of course, this is brought to you by the Insti Connect, the world's smartest on-the-road internet system. We can help you get a little bit of internet and a whole lot of internet too, without paying too much money. Be sure to check out InstiConnect.com to get your Insti Connect so you can be in places like this and still be able to work. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.